These are the magnetic decorative garage door hinges. We're going to open the box and see what we got. So we already have, there are some handles. Looks like it comes with four handles. And then we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hinges here. We're going to put them on here and see how they work. One there.
Yeah.
Well, I just placed the hinges up on here. The decorative garage door hinges are magnetic. They come with the heavy-duty magnets that are installed in them. They can be easily placed on your garage and give your garage a great appearance without having to use any tools. They are made with UV and weather-resistant material. This will help you have an amazing curb appeal.